Hello everybody, this is Shama Forex again. Thank you for watching my videos. So this week I want to do some few analysis and few recaps from the last trade or from the last live that we were together. So I will go straight to my pairs that I want to look. I remember last time we look pound dollar. We also look dollar JPY, and we also look US oil. So those are the three pairs that I want to look, and also I have another added pair that I took throughout the last week. So I want to do so for some few recaps for all those four pairs. So my first pair that I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do pound dollar. And remember from the last video that guys, you watch, if you have not watched my video before, you can just go back and watch my last video that I uploaded. So I'm doing my videos in a kind of a series, so that you people can understand how the market moves slowly by slowly. So I will, where I was left before, that's where I'm going to take. So on my last video, this pair was around here. This pair, the market was somewhere around here. And guys, I told you two things. If the market break from the top, I will take the breakout, but I will wait until the market retested to this zone. That's where I can now take my buy to the upside. And also I told you guys, if the market breaks to the downside, retest head, then I can now take my sell to the downside. So this is what has actually happened. So the market has decided to take up to break from the lower side. So this means that probability we are going for a sell. Probability we are going for a sell. So I will come to my 4 hours and look how the market look like. So if you can see in my 4 hours, you can see the market. This is a zone where the market consolidated for a very long period of time. But now the market has broke and from the broke to the downside, and the market has retested to this level. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. First of all, if you can take your Fibonacci from this top side to this bottom side, you can see this red box is where the market is at currently, and also this is where market is at currently. And on my Fibonacci, let me take it to my on my Fibonacci, you can see 60.1 level. Exactly, the market has also reached to 60.1 level. Market has also reached 60.1 level. So now what I'm waiting now to do right now, you can see I plotted my counter trend line, the one of this touch, that touch. Now this is what I'm waiting the market to break. I'm waiting the market to break to the downside with a body candle. If the market break this counter trend line with a body, then I can take a sell to the downside. That's what I'm expecting if the market break. But also the market might decided not to break and decided to pass this 61.1 level. Then maybe can just consolidate like this one, like this one, like this one, then break to the outside and then retest it to that level. Then I can take a buy. But for now, I'm hoping for a sell. That's what I'm hoping for now. I'm hoping that the market will go for a sell. But in forex market, you expect anything to happen, and you are also ready for possibility and probability. Now, that's the all I can do for pound dollar. That's all I can do for pound dollar. Next pair that I want to do is this is USDJPY. JPY, you remember I took this trade from below here, and I'm still running. This is what I told you guys. I'm expecting this to do some few things. If the market break from the top, I will take a buy. If the market break from the bottom, I will take a sell. So actually the market has broke from the top. Now let's go to 4 hours. We can analyze from 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours so that we can do some few analysis on 4 hours. Now this is 4 hours. You can now see clearly how I'm expecting this was the level, or this is the resistance zone. 1, 2, 3. So the market has break this resistance zone. So what I'm expecting, as you can see, this have drawn break and retest. I'm now expecting this market to go back to this level, or if it will break this level, it will come up to this. Then I'm expect to take I'll take a buy from there to the upside. Why this level? If you can do my Fibonacci level, I draw from the bottom to the top. My Fibonacci level to the top. You can see this is the zone, Fib zone. This is my Fib zone. You can see that's my Fib zone. So I'm waiting for two things. If the market cannot hold here, break to this zone, I will take a buy. Or I can also take a buy. If the market come to this blue line, then show me bullish candlestick, then I will take a buy from this upper side. But if it break this line, come to this box, red box, show me a bullish sign, break my counter trend line, then I will take a buy from there. But if the market decided to break this trend line to the downside and break that blue line, then retest it to this blue line, I will take a sell. But for now, my bias is on a buy. I'm expecting it to buy. So I'm expecting it to buy. But if the market reverse, I will take a sell. But for now, I'm expecting a buy. So guys, that's what I might do, and that's what's my expectation for dollar, yen. Now, my next pair I'm going to analyze my next pair, and my next pair is US oil. This is the pair, guys, that I've been waiting for. I give you signal for this pair. I think with my last video, if you have not watched my last video, guys, go and watch my last video. I clearly show you guys what I was expecting. The market was around this level. The market was around this level. So I was expecting this market to retest so that I can take a buy from here to the upside. Now, if you can see, if you can see, I can just draw my Fibonacci level from the bottom to the top, then and label this. Now, guys, you can see clearly the market just go directly to that fib level and just go directly to that fib level and turn exactly. If guys you've watched, just go and watch my previous video, you can see exactly this kind of a formation and what I was expecting. Exactly, I was expecting this thing to happen the same way it has happened. So let's go to my 4 hours, then I can show you how I took that trade in my 4 hours. In my 4 hours, you normally what I do, you might normally know what I do on 4 hour. I just draw my counter trend line, and when the market break that trend line, that's when I will take that trade. So I took that trade from here, somewhere here. My stop loss was below below the low. My TP1 was around this level. You can see this is a form. I have something like a formation here, like a shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline around here. So my TP1 is around this level. So as we are speaking, guys, I already took my 50% of my trades. That's how I do it, and that's how I go about it. I already took my 50% at my first TP. So my next now TP, I can hold the trade comfortably without any form of fear. I can just hold my trade. So my next TP is around somewhere at the top here. I think around here. This is what I'm expecting next. So I've already took 50% of my trades to hit to this position. Then I will take another like 30. When the market reach to this zone, I will take another like 30% and watch, see if the market break. If the market break to the downside, then I can take the rest of 20%. I can take the 20% to the top. But I usually follow the market, how the market show me. But if the market starts show me a reversal pattern around this place, now I can take my whole trade. I will now complete my whole trade and take out my profit. So this guy, if you have showed, if you've seen my last video and previous video, guys, I think you're already in this trade because I show you guys, I show you where to expect, how to expect, and it's at and actually the market has happened exactly as I told you guys. This is and you know it's usoil. We have a good pips there and we have a good money there. So one also another trade that I took. Okay, before I go to another trade, let me give you some tip on how you can, those who have not entered any trade yet, how you can do. Now let's wait here. We have something like this zone. Watch the market, how it will do here. If the market will break this area, retested, sorry. If the market will break this area, retest, then you can take another trade to this area. So you can expect this one also. You can expect this one also. You can expect this one also. Watch the formation the market will form here. If it will reverse, it can reverse to the downside. But if the market will break this area, then retested, then you can take a trade to another zone. That's what I'm expecting for this week and also maybe for uh, the next week. So the last pair that I want to analyze, my last pair that I wanted to analyze is Chef, Outchef. Outchef, I took this trade on the end of last week. Let me do some few analysis for you. You can understand how I did it. I took this pair last week, toward the end of the last week, and by now it has given me a good profit until then. So I plot my key level. If you have know how to plot key levels, those are my 3 key levels. And then as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, let me show you one thing. As you can see, we have a point there, a point there, a point there. So that means this market has rejected this point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is a very strong support, and it's a support on a daily. On a daily. So the first thing that we are going to do, the market is in my support area. Now, the second, that this is the first thing, you know how I do, you know how I trade. So the first thing that I usually look is the support point. Where is my support point? My first support point is here, this zone. The market has rejected here, 1, 2, 3. That time the market has rejected my point. The second thing I'm going to do, you can see the market has break my trend line. This is my trend line. Now, the second thing that I'm going to do is to draw my trend line. After drawing my trend line, you can also see I have some formation. There is some formation here of look like a double bottom. This is a double bottom. You can see we have this bottom, neckline, bottom. Now let's go to 4 hours. This is where now I executed my trade. In 4 hours, you can now see clearly in 4 hours, the first thing that I'm going to do, going to use my Fibonacci level from the top, from the bottom, from the bottom, top. Hope you can see clearly. Now, at my 6.1 level, 6.1 level, it's here, 6.1 level. As guys, you can see, these are my 6.1 level. The market just respected it. I draw my counter trend line here. Here. And I took this trade from here. When the market broke that counter trend line. Sorry. Downside here. To here. Then, as you also know, I usually take my TP1, the nearest level here. So I took my 50% of my profit. That's how I do it. I don't care how many pips I have. Then the second position here, you can see this point is also, the market has respected this point for quite a while. So my first TP, it's here. Second TP, what I'm expecting to take my second TP any moment. My first TP, was here. At any moment I'm expecting to take my second TP at this level. Then the rest now, like 20%, I can hold to the top, That's what I did. That's what I'm expecting. So if you are not in this run, you can also wait. If the market can break this level, wait for it to break and wait to retest. Use your Fibonacci 61 level, then you can take to the top. But also the market can decide it. Also the market can decide it to come to this level and respect this level, then drop, retested, and move to the downside. So whatever the market will give you guys, you will just follow what the market will give you. Because also, if you can see from a distance, I can also see something here, a kind of, I can also see something here. kind of head and shoulder, shoulder, head, neckline, left shoulder, then up. But I will take my whole trade. If I see the market reverse from here, I will take my trade out, all of them. Then I waited until the market reached this place. If it started to go up, then I can take the trade. So you you usually need to be neutral in order to follow what the market is saying. So guys, thank you for watching. Those are my trades for the previous week. In the middle of the week or anytime I find a good signal, I will usually drop it.